Hello all, in the previous video we have seen how to add Arduino Uno R4 board, or basically how to configure Arduino Uno R4 board in Arduino Cloud, right? In this video we will see how to create a thing in Arduino Cloud. Things are nothing but which are basically controlled from cloud, and these things are basically connected to the Arduino Uno R4, whether it be a LED, whether it be a relay, or whether it be switch or anything. So basically we turn on and turn off these devices, right? So let us let us see how to create a thing. For this, go to things in the Arduino Cloud and scroll down. You see create thing. When you click on create thing, okay, it opens up an option of creating a variable. Okay, so now click on add. So for this, let us try to add as LED. Okay, and what is this type? LED type is a basic type, and it is Boolean, right? So it is just a Boolean type. Okay, you can see declaration bool LED. Okay, and now click on add variable. So you can see LED got added, and automatically you can see the sketch also got created here. Okay, so we have to write what happens when we do a on LED change here, that we will see. So now when you see setup, okay, you can associate a particular device. Like example, this thing right now we are saying that we'll be using Arduino Uno R4, right? So to select a device, when you click on it, you can see already a device is ready. We have already configured the device. If you haven't configured the device, when you click, it asks to configure. It first detects the device and then you have to configure. Okay, you can see click is on associate. Now you can see to this Arduino Uno board with the secret ID and all, this is associated. Okay, so now that means the code is ready. So like what we can do right now is this is the code. So we will talk about how to use this code and then dump it onto the Arduino board. In this video we have focused on creating a thing and associating it with a device in Arduino Cloud.